Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility, so we remove the color filter at the system level. Tap Accessibility, then Display and Text Size. This path controls screen appearance for all apps. Once there, locate Color Filters. It's a single toggle and the only persistent control for color filtering. Make sure you can enter the device passcode if asked, because changing accessibility settings may require authentication. Now, move to the next screen. You're one step away from turning filters off. You'll see color filters near the top of this display and text size panel. Tap its row to open the controls. Once inside, use the color filters toggle. If it's green, tap it to switch off, which immediately removes any applied filter across the system. If the iPad prompts for your passcode, enter it. This confirms the change. Make sure to watch the screen as you flip the switch. It should return to normal color instantly. Now verify by exiting Settings and viewing the home screen. Once done, you should verify the change. Exit Settings and look at Photos or the home screen to confirm normal color. If the filter remains, restart the iPad because temporary UI glitches can persist until a reboot. Then reopen Accessibility and ensure color filters is off. If you or someone set an accessibility shortcut, also check Settings, right arrow Accessibility shortcut to disable color filters there, because triple-click can re-enable it. If problems continue, contact Apple support for device-specific diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.